In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a password on a MacBook Pro 2017. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is a little simple, but it is going to be a little bit hard to demonstrate since I currently am screen recording. So I'm going to apologize beforehand for that. But go ahead and press and hold down on the power button on your MacBook and keep holding it down until the MacBook completely turns off and the screen goes fully black. From here, press and hold down on that power button again. This time, keep holding until you see the startup options appear. And as soon as you do see the startup options loading in, you can go ahead and let go of that button. And after a moment, simply just go ahead and look for the options button. You're going to see a main drive and an option button. Go ahead and click on options, then hit continue, and it'll put you in recovery mode. And your Mac will now start loading. And you'll eventually see a screen asking you to select a user that you know the password for. Since you're going to be resetting it, choose forget all passwords, and the system will guide you through recovery. If your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you're going to have to sign into that Apple account. But once again, if you don't remember the password, choose forget password. And you'll eventually be asked to enter in the email address or phone number connected to your Apple's account. Apple will then send you a verification message just so that you can reset your password. But once you complete all the on-screen steps, you'll be able to create a new password and sign back into your Mac. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.